And here we have Charms Fluffy Stuff Cotton Candy. This is 2.5 ounces. A fat-free candy, sodium-free, cholesterol-free. We're going to check it out and see some of the colors and what's inside. 1893 World's Fair, Chicago introduced America to sweet new sensation cotton candy. Immediate success. Okay, so anyway, one serving is 270 calories. Serving size is this whole bag. Open it up. There you go. Open it all the way up. Alright, so this is what it looks like inside. It looks like you get all colors. Here, grab that in there. Oh yeah, let's do a taste test.
I'm eating this one.
Oh yeah. This Charms flavor tastes really good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So it is nice and fluffy. That's for sure. But this is what you're gonna get inside. Nice and fluffy candy. Ours probably been squished a little bit. But was it delicious? It is delicious. Highly recommend. Let's eat some more.